Hi, Dr. Lindsey here. This is a 9.5-year follow-up on what was once a 40-year-old fine-haired man who got 1,600 grafts in his frontal triangles. So he came in initially looking like this, and I think we must have done him in the summer. His hair is a little bleached compared to what it is now in the middle of the winter, and he wanted these 2 triangles done. And so with that fine hair, we did 1,601 grafts using a strip technique. He came every day for cleaning. We saw him at a month for a scar check, and then I never saw him again. He came back about 2 weeks ago as he was in the area for business, and just stopped by, and he looks like this. So first of all, he's a fine-haired guy who's now 47, and his frontal triangles have held up very well. His hairline is unremarkable. His scar is virtually imperceptible. So now he's 47, he's got a new wife, and he's thinking about lowering his hairline about 1 centimeter, which is about 1/2 inch for us Americans. And I think that's a reasonable plan. He hasn't lost any further hair. He is not on medicines and doesn't have a significant family history of hair loss. And so at 47, with a good result, despite fine hair, and plenty of donor supply, I told him he could do whatever he'd like to do, and so he'll let us know, and if we get him back, I'll try to get him to do a video. We do these all the time. If I can help you, please give me a call. Thanks.